Hello my friends, hello YouTube. What you're looking at here is Haskap berries, otherwise known as honeyberry. It's a little like a blueberry, grows in a taller bush. Well, some blueberries grow this big, but the berry itself is larger. Has a similar taste, some people say. I like it a little more than a blueberry. It's a little softer texture to it, but it makes jams and pies and toppings and such the same as you would with a blueberry. And what I'm doing is harvesting them. I've already taken off all the berries off this plant except for the very small ones. I believe that plant's called Aurora borealis, and this one is a different one as they cross-pollinate each other. And they got a little bit of a complicated way of doing so. Certain ones only pollinate other ones, so if you're buying these, make sure you check the list. They have a list at the nursery. They can reference which variety you should plant, which other variety. But yeah, I planted these 3 years ago, so this is the second full season that they've been in the ground. They're an early fruiting plant, great variety of fruit to grow in northern climates. I'm here in north central Alberta, and it is July 9th, Thursday, July 9th, 2020. And this is the first first plant to bear fruit. I have strawberries. I have one strawberry that has well, I guess I got two there. Got one there, another one there. That one there, though, as you can see, something crawled inside of it, so I'll have to go in there and remove that. Whatever's taking up residence in the nice juicy strawberry. Quite unfortunate. But yeah, so Haskap berries. The birds have been eating these. There's big splotches of purple poo everywhere, so I know they've been eating them. When they're ready to be picked, they'll come right off. You can even well, I took the whole thing off there, but shake the plant, they'll fall right off. But yeah, I already got maybe 2 cups there, and I expect to get maybe 2 cups more. So about 4 cups. We'll make a couple jar jams. Jam jars. Jar jams. Yeah, if I get a couple jars of jam, I'll be happy. Last year, all I got enough was make. All I got last year was enough to make a pancake topping, which was nice for one quick meal. But you know, when you wait a year for something to bear fruit, it'd be nice to have something to preserve. But yeah, just a quick view. These are Haskap berries, H-A-S-K-A-P, otherwise known as honeyberries. There's many different varieties. You need at least 2 different varieties that are compatible to pollinate each other. And yeah, they're a very hardy plant. These ones here are like in my raised bed. I don't know what's the best thing to put here. I think if you are going to grow them, at least in my area, the birds sure like them, and there'd be way more of these on here if I had netted them off. So I'm going to make a long thin bed, I think, to be bird netted, and just maybe half a dozen of these plants, you know, because I sure do like taste. They make a nice nice fruit topping, so I imagine it'll make a nice jam. And it's made just like blueberries, but these are much easier to grow than blueberries and produce larger fruit. and it produces early in the season. You'll see a lot of the literature on it say June, but today's July 9th, and I'm harvesting them. Some quite aren't ready, and some are a little over ready, and the birds ate about half of them. So yeah, I'm happy. I'll get some jam. Just a quick look at Haskap berries, otherwise known as honeyberries. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.